These Meeseeks don't know what to do and it's adorable.
Zenith's photography stumbled upon these Meeseeks at the perfect moment.
Be careful about getting too close to this toxic Rick.
Influencer is absolutely committed to her toxic Rick cosplay, and we couldn't be more thankful.
Mrs. Refrigerator in her natural habitat.
This 21-year-old knew how to celebrate his birthday in true style, dressed as Mrs. Refrigerator.
This Summer Smith cosplayer does not have time for you.
This mysterious Summer Smith cosplayer gets the character absolutely right.
As good as Rick and Morty cosplay can get.
This awesome Rick and Morty cosplay was done by Kitty's Cosplay, with photos taken by Carlos Adamo.
This guy gets Mr. Poopybutthole right.
Photographer David Ngo managed to capture this awesome Mr. Poopybutthole cosplay. A new noob cosplay that's anything but. This is a Birdperson cosplay done right.
Grabbagarbgrooba the Garblovian is here to blow your minds.
Grabbagarbgrooba the Garblovian is here to blow your minds.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.